It's going around the country. You know, Fani Willis. She went to school with my sister. She full of shit. She was full of shit then. So she's a puppet for the white liberal that is controlling everything. She
Three special counsel is my right to do. Paid them all the same hourly rate. They only attacked one.
Willis says much of the scrutiny she's faced after Wade's appointment is unfair and racially motivated.
They only question one. Isn't it them playing the race card when they constantly think, I need someone from some other jurisdiction in some other state to tell me how to do a job I've been doing almost 30 years.
She also expressed hurt, as many of her harshest critics have been women.
I never want to be a Marjorie Taylor Greene, who has never met me, but has allowed her spirit to be filled with hate.
Just last week, one of the co-defendants in the high-profile election meddling case alleged that Willis and Nathan have a secret, inappropriate relationship. Willis didn't address that directly, but did say all that she respects and admires of all of her special prosecutors, including Wade.
I hired one white man, brilliant, my friend, and a great lawyer. And I hired one black man, another superstar, a great friend, and a great lawyer.
Ooh, baby, the nerve of some people. Fanny, Fanny, you have got to stop. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, Just a Brown Girl in America. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, keep this engaged so we can get this channel up and going. We can make new friends and we can hang out together. But today we have got to talk about Miss Fani Willis. Now we're gonna keep going down the history of the parties and learning our information, but we got modern times right now, and modern times calls for modern responses. And today, baby, Miss Fanny Willis needs to be addressed. Now, first of all, let's talk about this. You talking about you had three prosecutors. They all got paid the same rate. That's not true. Okay? We've already established that it's not true. You went up in that darn church. You went up in that church a month or so ago or whatever in the pulpit and sat there and lied because you knew that them black old women was going to praise you and be on your side. You sat up there, you lied in the pulpit. First of all, you said you had three. You want to cry racism. See, that's what they do, y'all. Anytime they don't have an argument or anybody's wrong, a lot of people will call racism or bigot, like we talked about before. But this is what she went to. Like I said, it's still happening today. Three prosecutors. She said, oh, well, they only questioned one. Why is that? You know why it is. You know darn well you was sleeping with that woman husband. That man been married almost 30 years, okay? You sleeping with the husband. That's why. That's the one they're questioning. That's why that is the one that you in a hearing for right now, trying to see if you benefit from taxpayer dollars, girl. Bye. And then, other that, you was sleeping with him. You're wrong. You flat out wrong. Look, you mad. I get it. Baby, but you mad at the wrong people. Now, speaking of Miss Fanny, so we gonna fast forward because that was when all this first came out. She finally spoke. Of course, she took to the black church like they all do, try to pander and get that sympathy and that race card going, and what race hustlers do. That's just what they do. But we moving on along. Meanwhile, so now she is in hot water, her and her lover, Mr. Wade. And I'm gonna say allegedly just in case I'm wrong, but I'm almost they admitted it. But I'm gonna still say allegedly. So let's check out and see how she just comes up in this courtroom, baby. She not even they didn't even know she was gonna be there. They didn't even know she was gonna be there. But strong black woman.
Yes, sir. It only made sense to me that I would be your next witness, and I've been very anxious to have this conversation with you today. So I ran to the courtroom.
You and Mr. Wade met in October 2019 at a conference?
That is correct. And I think in one of your motions you tried to implicate I slept with him at that conference, which I find to be extremely offensive.
Isn't it true that you met Mr. Wade in October 2019 at a judge's
We
conference?
haven't gotten to the point where Ms. Willis should be treated hostile in this situation.
I think we
And
have.
I'm very much want to be here, so I'm not a hostile witness. I very much want to be
Not
here.
so much that you're hostile, Ms. Willis, it'd be an adverse witness. Your interests are opposed to Ms. Merchant's.
Thank you.
Merchant's interests are contrary to democracy, Your Honor, not to mine.
All right, let's
Judge,
proceed.
so your office objected to us getting Delta records for flights that you may have taken with Mr. Wade.
And, well, no, look.
Girl, you hostile. What's wrong? I'm sorry, y'all. Why she coming there like that? I am not hostile. No. No. You too cute for that. Stop. Like you got some sense, girl. Oh my God. My Lord. Here we go.
I object to you getting records. You've been intrusive into people's personal lives. You're confused. You think I'm on trial. These people are on trial for trying to steal an election in 2020. I'm not on trial, no matter how hard you try to put me on trial.
So my question, Mr. Wade visited you at the place you laid your head.
When?
Has he ever visited you at the place you laid your head?
So let's be clear, because you lied in this. Let me tell you which one you lied in. Right here. I think you lied right here. No. This is the truth,
Judge,
And it is a lie. It is a lie.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Well,
You see.
Mr. Sena, thank you. We're going to take 5 minutes.
You know darn well. You know darn well you was with that man way before time. So basically they trying to figure out if this relationship started before the Trump prosecution. Because if they started before the Trump prosecution, she could be kicked off the case because that would say that she benefited from taxpayer dollars. She paid this man almost $1 million. Almost $1 million. Now she's trying to say that because they don't have no receipts because he said she paid him back. They don't have no receipts for that. No receipts for that. Thousands of dollars. She paid him back. So either you tricking off, ma'am. You tricking off? I mean, it's okay. That's your thing. You know, that's what you want to do. My point is, you either doing that or you lying. Because that would suggest that you just out here and then you want to claim strong independent woman. Don't be teaching these girls that. Don't be teaching these kids that. Yes, we are strong. Do we want to be? Why do we always got to fight and be strong and be hard? We want to be strong. So first of all, don't do that. Girl, stop. Okay? Just stop. Stop. Let's take a look at a little bit more of this.
And suddenly he's changing. She files her financial declarations, same problems. We need a ready here to go over all of this and to explain exactly what happened. So we was asked the court that the court allow Ms. Willis to be called and interrogated on these matters.
And I would too, Your Honor.
Just a moment, Ms. Willis. So, Ms. Cross, I don't know if you want to speak with Ms. Willis now. It's sounding like maybe they're withdrawing
I believe I'm
the
not.
objection to the motion.
I will leave the motion to,
Or does Ms. Willis want to take the lead here?
We'll draw the motion to quash Ms. Willis.
based on the, I'm right there.
Okay, so the position of the district attorney at this point is that she's no longer contesting the subpoena. Ms. Merchant is called her as the next witness.
I would ask, I need 3 documents in front of me, and they're the 3 filings of Ms. Merchant. 3 filings. Does anyone have the 3 filings of Ms. Merchant? Does the court have the 3 filings of Ms. Merchant?
When you say the filings, you mean like the pleadings?
The pleadings, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I think we could locate those for you in the supplemental.
I want the one filed on January the 8th, the one filed immediately after we filed ours, and the final one.
If you want to take a break to get them, I can make a copy. I think we have one.
You know, the only copy I have is going to have my notes on it, so if we don't have a clean copy.
Have a 5-minute break, Your Honor.
Let's
I'll get
take
the documents.
All right.
I'll sit here and wait for him.
Girl, stop. You wrong. You are wrong. You caught. You're wrong. Y'all wrong. It's wrong. All the way around. It's morally wrong, legally wrong, wrong, just wrong. Like how you come. That's what I'm saying. I get it. I get it. You from the hood. I get it. But you a lawyer. You a district attorney. You representing people. And I don't even do the whole identity thing, but since that's what you do, come on now. Can you have some poise about yourself? Know how to move through a room? Different rooms? You ain't that man. Well, maybe you are. But no, seriously, you ain't that man. You have slept with this man, married man. Then he filed for a divorce right before you put him on this case, paid him almost $1 million, saying that you didn't benefit from it. But in the same turn, y'all on vacations together, Aruba, the take you to Aruba, Bahamas, come on, pretty mama. Never mind. But girl, baby, this ain't it. Ain't it. But I am glad I'm not the only one that noticed. Because you know who else that noticed? The judge. Let's take a look and see what he checks. Miss Fani out.
Visit you at a place that you resided.
Okay. I don't understand. You're going to give me that. In 2020, I lived in South Fulton.
Okay.
That's the only place I lived in South Fulton. That's before I had to abandon my home, Judge.
All right.
And at my home in
We're
South
gonna clarify
Fulton,
this. We'll break it down.
he never came there, okay? So if you don't come someplace, you can't live there.
Ms. Willis, I'm going to have to caution you. This is going to be the first time I have to caution you. We have to listen to the questions as asked. And if this happens again and again, I'm going to have no choice but to strike your testimony. So, we need to break this down. Ms. Merchant's question, I believe, was asking whether you lived anywhere other than South Fulton.
Yep. So let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Is Miss Fanny in trouble? Is it Fanny or Fani? Only one N. I like Fanny. Fanny Willis. Y'all think she in trouble? You think they off the Trump case? You think they gonna be disbarred? Like, what do you think gonna happen? This is like a drama. It's a soap opera in real time. But let me know what you guys think. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to share this video, smash the like button, and subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, that's what we doing. 2024, liking, sharing, subscribing. Just a brown girl in America. Good day.